Hello, I'm Greta Tita Gito Mayor. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share so that others will also be equipped about their potential. And if you are new, click the subscribe and notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I will upload a new video. In this channel, you will receive Wisdom for Living. We are now on day 317. You share God's potential. Our text is found in 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 20 to 21. In a large house there are articles not only of gold and silver, but also of wood and clay. Some are for noble purposes and some for ignoble. If a man cleanses himself from the latter, he will be an instrument for noble purposes, made holy, useful to the master, and prepared to do any good work. So, yan yung ating text. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Kasi tayo ay nilikha ni God na punong-puno ng potensyal at ito ay nadisenyo, binigay niya sa atin kasi kailangan natin ito i-share sa iba. So, sharing your potential, di ba? Yun yung ating topic na kung saan ang sabi is, you share God's potential. Ano man yung binigay niya sa atin, dapat natin ito i-share para ma-fulfill yung plans and purposes ni God sa buhay natin. Yun yung kahapon. Kagaya sa isang bahay daw, sabi niya, ay maraming mga articles na ginagamit. Pwedeng gold, silver, wood, or clay. Ito ay ginamit para sa noble purposes. It means may kanya-kanyang purpose, may kanya-kanyang layunin. So, yun yung sabi sa ating text. So, therefore, like us, the potential that we possess is given to us for noble purposes also. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang potential na kung saan nilagay ni God para tuparin yung ating layunin sa buhay. The will of God, the purpose of God, or the intention of God. It says here, everything God called into being, He gave a purpose that meshes with the larger purpose of the world. Every animal, bird, fish, insect, reptile, plant, and tree is connected to the whole creation. If one species becomes extinct, its death disrupts and impacts the entire ecosystem. In essence, each part of God's world in some way balances and enriches the rest. So, bawat isa sa atin ay kailangan ng bawat isa. Kagaya tayo ng isang puzzle na kung saan ang buong plan ni God, lahat tayo ay kasama. Kasama na yun yung mga animals, mga insects, birds, and the reptiles, so the plants. They are connected. It means each one has a purpose. Bawat isa ay mayroong purpose. Kaya sabi niya kapag ang isang species daw ay naging extinct, naging baho, mapiktuhan yung iba. It disrupts and impacts the entire ecosystem. So, that is how important and how we need one another. So, bawat isa sa atin ay mayroong kanya-kanyang purpose, yet bawat isa interrelated. So, kailangan na maging clear sa atin at maintindihan natin kung ano yung binigay niya at ano yung purpose niya at plans niya at maging maintindihan at clear sa atin para ma-enjoy natin at magawa natin. Human beings are God's crowning creative act. The treasure He put in us, He took from Himself. He chose to give us part of His potential so we could use it for Him. God could have run the world by Himself, but He brought us into His plan so we could bring glory to Him by revealing all He is. So, human being ay nilikha niya. At sabi kanina sa slide, we are God's crowning creative act. Tayo yung pinaka. So, the treasure He put in us ay galing sa Kanya. He took it out of Himself. Diba? Hinipan niya, kumuha siya ng kumuha siya mula sa ground, inform niya tao, pagkatapos ay hinipan niya. So it means that life, that spirit came from Him. At pinili niya yun na ibigay sa atin, hindi sa mga hayop, kundi sa atin. Para magamit ito para sa Kanya. Of course, not for ourselves, but for Him. Now, pwede niya itong gawin kahit wala tayo. Pero gusto niya na maging bahagi tayo ng kanyang plano. Maging bahagi tayo para makapagbigay karangalan. I-reveal natin yung kung anong mayroon siya. Kasi tayo ay, part of us came from Him. So it means kapag God class yung ating nagawa, kapag the best yung ating nagawa, it means very powerful yung ating Creator. Natutuwa siya, nagagalak siya, at nai-inspire siya sa bawat isa sa atin because we reveal His nature. We reveal who He is. We reveal His glory. So, bawat isa sa atin, kapag ginagawa natin, tinutupad natin yung ating layunin sa buhay, paano yun? By sharing our potential, we fulfill God's plan and His purpose for our life. So, pag ginagawa natin yon, siya ay napaparangalan. So, paano napaparangalan ang Diyos? Paano natin na glorify si God? Sa pamamagitan ng pagtupad, pag-share ng potential na mayroon tayo at natutupad yung kanyang layunin sa ating buhay, yung kanyang will, yung kanyang purpose, intention. So, natutupad natin at siya ay napaparangalan. Kaya dapat ay alam natin talaga kung ano yung kanyang layunin, bakit kanya nilikha sa mundong ito. So, He doesn't need involvement to accomplish, supposed to be, but because He wants us to experience, ni-involve niya tayo. He doesn't need our involvement to accomplish all He is capable of doing and being, but He wants us to enjoy the blessing of participating in His purpose. Your gifts, talents, and abilities are your share of the endowment God gives to mankind to bless all creation. So, mayroon tayong part. Binigyan niya tayo para mag-enjoy din tayo. So, hindi sinulo ni God, kundi gusto niya na maging part tayo. Binigyan niya tayo ng ability, capability, and gusto niya na i-enjoy natin sa pag-participate sa kanyang purpose. So, yung gift mo, yung talent mo, abilidad na mayroon ka, ay pag i-share mo ito, ay ginabless natin ang creation niya. So, kasama tayo dun sa kanyang plans. So, minsan kasi mas magaling pa tayo kay God, mas magaling pa tayo sa ating Creator, na His ways are higher than our ways, His thoughts are higher than our thoughts. So, remember that you possess some ability, talent, gift, potential, because you need it to fulfill His plan for your life. Kaya mahalaga na naintindihan mo yon. At alam mo ba na si God ay natutuwa, napaparangalan siya kapag tayo ay tumutupad o tinutupad natin yung layunin niya sa ating buhay. God finds satisfaction in watching you discover and use your potential. In essence, you show forth God's nature and reveal His potency when you feel your potential. Your purpose is equal to your potential, and your potential is equal to your purpose. The more you understand your purpose, the more you'll discover what you can do. So, paano na natin i-please si God? Paano na siya maging matutuwa sa atin, na tumitingin sa atin? Sabi niya, kapag tayo ay gumagawa, ginashare natin yung ating potential, ginagawa natin yung plano niya at yung kanyang purpose sa buhay natin, then we reveal His nature. Yung potency niya, yung kapangyarihan niya na nilagay sa atin. Kasi ang sabi, yung ating daw layunin na nilagay niya sa atin ay kapariho, equal sa potential na kung anong meron tayo. So it means, alam niya na kung anong potential ilalagay niya sa atin kasi alam niya kung anong purpose niya. Bakit niya tayo nilikha? So, your purpose is equal to your potential and your potential is equal to your purpose. So, wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Hindi mahirap tumupad, hindi mahirap tuparin kung ano yung layunin ni God, yung intention ni God, yung will ni God, hindi mahirap gawin. Ay importante lang, alam natin. The more na naintindihan mo yung purpose, yung will ni God, the more na ma-discover mo kung ano yung magagawa mo. Kasi nga, alam mo na yung layunin mo kagaya ko, alam ko kung ano yung layunin ko, naintindihan ko na, very clear sa akin. That's why, this potential that I have, the passion that I have, the gift that I have, I'm using it to fulfill that purpose. So, hindi ako nakabase sa sasabihin ng tao, hindi ako nakabase sa gagawin or sa kung sino man yung manunood dito lang or magla-like or mag-share. Pero nakabase ako ayon sa layunin ng Diyos sa aking buhay. So, by doing this, I know I'm sharing my talents, I'm sharing my gift, I'm sharing what I have learned, and I'm releasing my potential. So, I'm fulfilling God's purpose with my life. That's why I enjoy doing it. Even though medyo na-injure yung kamay ko at masakit yung aking arms, I still continue to do it because this is part of my purpose. The purpose why God created me. So, thus, God gets excited when you take authority and fulfill your purpose. Use the potential. So, dito, thus, God gets excited when you take authority over your bad habits. He enjoys watching you discover and use deposit of His power and wisdom within you. Sometimes, it would be easier for God to just snap His fingers and take over. But then, He'd lose the joy of watching you order your life and the pleasure of seeing you expose His potential. So, natutuwa ang Diyos na nakikita tayo na tinutupad natin yung kanyang gusto at ginagamit natin yung potential na nilagay niya sa atin ayon sa kanyang layunin, yung mga potential na naging deposit niya sa atin. So, pag na-discover natin ito at nagamit natin, then, sabi niya, he enjoys watching, discover, and use the deposit of His power and wisdom within you. So, nag-i-enjoy si God sa buhay natin. Nag-i-enjoy siya, nakikita ka, na tinutupad mo, nire-release mo, ginashare mo yung potential mo, at natutupad mo yung kanyang layunin sa buhay mo. So, madali lang kay God na stop yung kanyang finger kasi very powerful siya. Ganun lang, pwede niya nang magawa yun eh. But He give us the part, maging to work with Him. So, para ma-enjoy din natin kasi ang saya. Ang saya ng buhay. Ang saya ng buhay pag ginagawa mo, tinutupad mo yung layunin ng tagapaglikha, I tell you. Because you will be free from stress. May mga stressful situation, but you will know what to do, how to face it because of the potentials, because of the principles He has given you. So, God enjoys watching you while fulfilling His purpose, releasing the potential that you possess. Kasi ni-expose mo yung kanyang nature, nire-reveal mo yung kanyang glory. Ayan. So, nag-i-enjoy si God na titignan ka. At marami mga bagay siya na gustong gawin na sa bawat isa sa atin. Ayan, ito, tignan natin. Yung slide na ito, ang sabi rito, there are some things He'd like to do for you, but He's holding back so you can enjoy your success. When you do them yourself, God has shared His potential with you. Now He wants to enjoy the benefits of that gift. His joy overflows when you release all He has given you. Wow, God enjoys watching us. When we release the potential He has given us, ginagamit natin ito ayon sa kanyang layunin. At hindi lang siya nag-enjoy, tayo din. Kasi ganun niya tayo ginadesinyo eh. Kagaya ng isda na nag-enjoy maglangoy, kagaya ng bird na nag-enjoy maglangoy. Sorry. Hindi pala maglangoy, lumipad. So yung isda, nag-enjoy siya lumangoy. Yung bird, nag-enjoy siya na lumipad. Yung fruit tree ay nag-enjoy na mag-release ng kanyang bunga. So, ganun din yung ating tagapaglikha. So, di ba sabi niya, everything was very good. And God enjoys what He has done. God enjoys watching what He has done for your life. And He enjoys watching you fulfilling the reason for your existence. So, ganyan natin mapaligaya ang ating tagapaglikha at maparangalan sa pagtupad ng kanyang layunin. Paano yun? Nire-release natin yung potential na mayroon siya binigay sa atin at ginashare natin sa iba. And He is glorified. Natutuwa siya na nakatingin sa atin. And this is my question for you. Why God put in us part of His potential? Bakit nilagay ni God yung kanyang potential sa atin? So, please leave your comment below so that I will also know if you will have so that I will also know your ideas and share your ideas. Di ba yun yung ating when you share your potential, you will fulfilling God's reason. So share your ideas by answering that question that I have asked you a while ago. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless.